This video shows how to install Yanhua MQB-87 lock fastening interface board. 1. Push the lock fastening of the interface board to the unlock position. Find the interface board installation area on the instrument according to the visual positioning mark on the interface board. 2. Place the interface board against the instrument socket and align the pins with the D1 and D4 positioning holes. 3. Check that the D1 and D4 positioning pins are completely aligned with the D1 and D4 positioning holes of the instrument, and ensure that the PCB lock buckle is completely aligned. 4. Place your finger on the fingerprint position of the interface board. Press down on the interface board. Push the PCB lock buckle to the locked position to lock the interface board. Installation is done. 5. Confirm again that the interface board D1, D2, D3, and D4 positioning pins are completely aligned with the D1, D2, D3, and D4 positioning holes of the instrument. Yanhua MQB interface board has the advantages of compact size, precise pin positioning, easy installation, pin connection is firm and stable, not easy to loosen, and safer data reading and writing. Thank you for watching.